Good day, children. How are you all doing? Are you doing great? Lovely. Children, we all have learnt about A sound words, E sound words, I sound words, O sound words. Now, let us all learn about U sound words. Which sound words? U sound words. Great. You all know? Do you remember the sound of U? U says also, and sometimes U. Very good, children. Just like a umbrella. Umbrella. Right? Now, children, if I am going to add a to B, which says B, U and B together becomes a B. Up. What it says? Up. Repeat after me. A B. Up. A B. Up. Good. And let's learn different words related to it. So, you know, children, what is this word? It says C-U-B. That is K-A-B. K-ab. Cub. K-ab. Cub. Repeat after me. K-ab. Cub. K-ab. Cub. Cub is a baby of a lion. You know, even bear baby is also called cub. 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 Now, let's look at the another word. T says T. U-B together says tub. 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 Tub in which we store water, and few children who are very small and young take bath in a tub. Now, what am I doing? Can you tell me? I am rubbing my hands. When you wash your hands, you rub them now. So, let's read this word. R-U-B. It says rub. Rub. One more time. Rub. R-U-B. Rub. R-U-B. Rub. Now, the next word is H-U-B, which says hub. 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 H-U-B. Hub. Okay, let's read the words again. Cup, tub, rub and hub. Now, children, let's add another consonant to vowel U. Like if I will add U to D, then it says d, ud. D, ud. Repeat after me. U and D together says ud. D, ud. Just like B-U-D. B-ud. Bud. Bud is a tiny small plant. A tiny small young flower is called bud. Bud. B-U-D. Bud. The next word is C-U-D. Cud. 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 And the next word is M-U-D. Mud. 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 M-U-D. Mud. मड क्या होती है? गीली मिट्टी, उसको बोलते हैं हम mud. So children, this way you can make different words with the sound U. Think of different more words as which has ud at the end and ab at the end. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.